My dear viewers, welcome to my class. Today I am going to show you how to form a tag person. To form a tag person, you need to have some knowledge about auxiliary verbs and pronouns. You know the auxiliaries are am, amn't, is, isn't, are, aren't. But isn't and aren't are frequently used. Next, has, hasn't, have, haven't, do, don't, does, doesn't, did, didn't, was, wasn't, were, weren't, had, hadn't, shall, shan't, will, won't, should, shouldn't, would, wouldn't, can, can't, could, couldn't, may, mayn't, might, mightn't, need, needn't, ought, oughtn't. And the pronouns are I, we, you, he, she, they, it, their. My dear viewers, you should also know that generally a tag person is found in assertive sentences and imperative sentences. And before a tag person, you must remember that if your sentence is affirmative, then tag person must be found in negative form. And if your sentence is negative, then tag person must be in positive form. So let's come to see some example on assertive sentences. Students are playing football in the field. So this sentence is positive and auxiliary will come in negative form, that's aren't. And the pronoun from the subject, the students, will be they. So the tag person will be formed like aren't they, and aren't they must requires a question mark. This is the tag person. Now let's look on another example. He is reading a book. Isn't he? They are gossiping. Aren't they? I am a teacher. Aren't I? Etc. My dear viewers, sometimes you see some assertive sentences begin with every mother, everybody, everyone, all men, all, nobody, no man. In this case, you will select the pronoun they, because this subject is singular but indicates the plural persons. And before they, you must select the auxiliary according to the pronoun. So every mother loves a sight. Here you can find doesn't, but don't take doesn't, because the pronoun will be they and doesn't sit before the pronoun they. So you have to select auxiliary don't. So don't they. Auxiliary must be selected or classified by the pronoun from the subject.